What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Just want to do an unboxing for you today. I got a bow vise in from BAP BAP products. Let's open it up. Baker Archery products. Okay. BAP products. Check them out. So this here is the micro adjustment mount, and yeah, so this goes like this, and that goes on anyway. So it's a bow vise. Buddy, look at that. Woo, that's fancy. Check that out, guys. Yeah, see that? So you put your bow here, and this knob right here locks it down, and then this ball won't swivel anymore. So there's a ball in there. When you want to unlock it, just unlock it. You can move it around. Move it around freely, however you want. And if you want to lock it in place, just lock it in place like that. So you put your vise in here, or your bow, and then you're able to, adjust your sight and get your bow all level. And if you got a ham ski level, you can use that with your bow vise. But this is solid material. Looks like we got a 5/16 plate, the 3/8 plate here, and it's like a 1/2 inch rod right here, and got some rubber right here so you don't hurt your bow or damage it while you're clamping down on it. So yeah, I like this, and it goes in and out fairly easy. You can see I'm using my finger. There's hardly any resistance there. So very nice bow vise from Baker Archery products. Check these guys out. Go to Baker Archery products and check out their website. They got some cool stuff, and I really been having my eye on this thing, and I finally got one. So I'm pretty happy, and now to get rid of my old bow vise. So this goes on here, or actually this mounts on there, and then you're able to make adjustments. Or I'm sorry, it goes on top. Yeah, so this will go on top. Anyways, I'll have to look up exactly how this goes, but it goes on there, and then you can micro adjust your bow while you got it in this vise. So yeah, super excited about putting this thing together. But Comes with some stickers, another knob here, and a card from Baker Archery. Butch Baker, he's the owner. Check him out on his website, bakerarcheryproducts.com. I'm not sponsored by him, I just think they got some good stuff. Let's see. The bow vise itself is $250. I bought mine from LancasterArchery.com. So with shipping, I got free shipping, so it was $259.79. And then I got this off of Baker Archery's website, and this thing is $60 free shipping. So you can get all this on BakerArchery.com or BakerArcheryProducts.com. I just decided to get one from Lancaster and one from Baker because it saves you like $25 if you do it that way. So there's a tip. But I just want to show you guys my bow vise, and I'm excited to get this thing mounted and getting to play with it. So I know I haven't made any videos, been super busy. I had to remodel my bathroom, and then right after that I started building a deer blind. So it's almost deer season in Texas for archery. Archery season starts October, so I'm excited. And I just got my deer blind done, so I'm gonna take it down there hopefully this weekend. And what's up? So I got my bow in the bow vise, and this thing is really nice. So here's that micro adjustment. See, right now you can go up and down. Right there it's going down, and right here it's going up. This knob right here, it's got rubber on it, it's not plastic, so it's got rubber grip on there. That's nice. This handle right here, it also has a rubber grip. You can undo it. You put your bow like this, like this, like this, whichever way you want. So pretty impressed, and I can't wait to use this thing. So if you need any tuning, if you need a D-loop or a peep sight, or maybe you think your sight isn't level, or maybe you think your rest isn't square up, I got a Hamskea level, the 3-axis level, and now I got this micro adjustment bow vise from BAP. So if you need any tuning, come holler at me, come see me. I'm in Odessa, Texas, and hit me up if you need any tuning, man. Bow season's right next month, so let's get after it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.